your brain into space. In your brain into space. brain into space.
Well, I made a little stew for you.
Oh, it sure smells good. What is it? There's been another murder.
Oh, what have I done?
You seem to be in some kind of a trance.
I think it's even more beautiful than you describe.
You seem to be in some kind of a trance.
My subconscious telling me, oh, what have I done? It's all so frightening.
People's dreams contain apprehensions, you know. But it is very difficult to say whether they point to a war, because that idea is uppermost in people's mind.
Reaching out into other worlds.